Hello. All right, today we are going to do something with a heart today for our art, since we have a special day coming up in February, and hearts are the symbol of love. So I cut out a heart for you all, and it's really big, and we are going to work on black paper. We'll also need a pencil, and then you're going to need oil pastels. You might need one of these just to get some ideas, but if you have your own ideas, that's awesome too. Okay, so we're going to use the heart as our symbol of love and kindness and caring. Symbols are used all the time in art, and so the heart is a really popular one by a lot of different artists, and that's the one we're going to focus on today. So what I want you to do is find the center of your black square paper, and we are going to trace the heart on our paper. And I know it's going to be hard to see in my video today, the heart as I trace with pencil, but you will be able to see it when you do this at your table. You can see the lines look kind of shiny on the black paper, so you'll be able to see it, okay? Then I want you to just design, use your pencil. Think about if you want like flowers on your hearts, or do you want to divide it into different sections? I might divide mine with some lines, and you'll see this better in a minute. And then once you have everything drawn with pencil, and take your time, I'm just not going to spend a lot of time with pencil because you all can't see. So do your design with pencil, okay? Once you feel like you've got a really nice design on here, then I want you to switch over to oil pastels, okay? Oil pastels look really beautiful on black paper. They show up very nicely. And then I just want you to start going over all of your lines in your design, and go nice and slow so that you actually go over the pencil lines. I know a lot of kids kind of rush through this part, but then you can see the pencil lines, and we want those to be covered by the oil pastels. The pencil was our planning part of our project. It's always good to have a plan, and a plan that if sometimes it goes wrong and you don't like it, you can erase it. That's why we always work with pencil first. But now that I've done my plan, now I'm going to go over everything with the oil pastel, and I'm going to go slow enough so that it actually covers the pencil. Okay? I'm sure people know that we have a plan with pencil, but once we've moved on and we're going to the next step, they probably don't need to see the plan. They just want to see some beautiful artwork. Now, I really want to get rid of the black on this paper. I don't mind that it shows through a little bit because I kind of like that effect. But I'm going to work on this. I'll probably turn the camera off, but I'm going to fill in each section with a different pattern. And then I'm also going to do something in the background, the space around my heart. So try to think of each space and how you want to design it. And then when we are done with this part, it might take us the whole class. I'm not really sure. We'll just kind of have to see how it goes. And once we're done with this part, then we are going to do something really special for the next part, for part 2. I'm not going to tell you guys that part yet, because I'm going to make a separate video once my design is all done. What do you guys think? Do you like the flowers if I leave them black? I don't know. What if I took a different color, not orange, even though I outlined them in orange? And what if I filled them in with a totally different color? Oh, I kind of like that. So your outline doesn't always have to match your design. It can be a little pop of color that is a nice contrast. Okay, I think that was a smart choice. So this section, to me, of the heart looks complete. Now I'm going to move on and I'm gonna design all of these. Okay, so I'm gonna shut the camera off. I wanna give you guys time to plan your space around the heart, your different sections, if you divide it into sections or however you wanna design your heart. And let's get to work so we can get this done. All right, you guys, have fun.